How to get wine pairing tips from HelloFresh. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want perfect wine pairings for your HelloFresh meals, well here is how to find wine pairing tips using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on recipes, and after that, you can simply select the meal that you want pairing tips for. And here after that, you can simply scroll down to the wine pairing or suggested pairings section, and after that, you can simply check out the recommended wines that matches your meal. And with that, once you have found it, you can enjoy your perfectly paired HelloFresh dinner. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.